Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan Shakil, and today, with my partners Munib Salim and Abdur Rahman, we are going to present you the topic image and video processing. First of all, the introduction of image and video processing. What is image processing? The image processing means using different and various means to process and enhance images. It is a method to convert an image in digital form and perform some operations on it in order to get an useful image, useful information, or an advanced image.
There are three types of image processing: image to image transformation, image to information transformation, and information to image transformation. Uh, as I mentioned above, these are the same: image to image transformation, image to information transformation, and information to image transformation.
What is video processing? Basically, a video processing is a particular case of signal process which often employs video filters and where the input and output signal are video files and video streams. Number 2 point is an example of video processing. Video processing techniques are used in the TV, VCRs, DVDs, mobile phone, laptop, etc. Types of video processing. Number 1 type is display. There are 7 types of video processing: display enhancement, video mixing and graphics overlay, chroma keying, video scaling, scan rate conversion, de-interlacing, interlaced to non-interlaced conversion.
As I mentioned above, now I'm going to explain them a little bit. Image to image transformation. Image to image transformation include enhancement of image, restoration, geometry like sizing or cropping image. Next one is image to information transformation. It includes image statics, image compression or image analysis or like CAD or OCR. Image to information to image transformation, it includes decompression of compressed image data, reconstruction of image slice, or computer graphics, animation, and virtual reality. Pixel, as we know that our computer or monitor screen is made up of million of pixels. Same in the case of digital image is made up of many pixels, million of pixels. These are the image representation, how the image is processed. Steps of image processing. The number one is image acquisition. The image acquisition is means that the image is captured by the sensor or camera and digitized if the output of the camera or sensor is not already in digital form using analog to digital converter. And the number two step is image enhancement. The process of manipulating an image so that result is more suitable than the original image, like applying filter, etc. Step number three is image restoration, improving the appearance of an image. Step number four is color image processing. Use the color of the image to extract feature of interest like highlighting main things in the image. Step number five is wavelet. Wavelets are the foundation of representing images in various degrees of resolution. It is used for image data compression.
Step 6 is compression. Techniques for reducing storage required to save an image or bandwidth required to transmit it. Step 6 is morphological processing. Tools for extracting image components that are useful in representation and description of shape. In this step, there would be transition from processing that output image to process that output image attributes. Step 8 is image segmentation. Segmentation procedures partition an image into its constituents or parts so that it can be better processed. Recognition and interpretation is step 9. Choosing representation is not only a part of solution for transforming raw data to suitable form of subsequent computer processing. It is a process that assigns labels to an object based on information provided by its description. And the 10th part is knowledge base. Knowledge about a problem domain is coded into an image processing system in the form of knowledge database.
Image processing field, computer graphic, the creation of image, next one is image processing, enhancement of the image, and the third one is computer vision, analysis of image content.
Components of image processing. There are 8 steps of components of image processing. Number 1, image sensor, specialized image processing computer, image processing software. Next step is memory storage. Next step is image displays. Number 7 point is hard copy devices, and last is networking.
This is the example of image processing. Like first we the camera focus on the object, then we capture the image.
Video processing. Basically, the video processing explanation of this type of video processing. Number 1 is chroma keying. Chroma keying is the process by which a specific color element is removed from the video scene and replaced with the different element. Essentially, it's the way video procedure remove one background and replace it with another. Number 2, video scaling. A video scaling is the conversion of video signals from the one display resolution to another. Typically, scalers are used to convert signals from the lower resolution to higher resolution, a process known as upconversion or upscaling. Explanation of types. Scan rate conversion. It is the conversion of a video processing techniques for changing the vertical or horizontal scan frequency of video signals. Basically it is the changing of frequency that higher resolution to low resolution, and which device performs this conversion is called scan converter. De-interlacing. It is the process of converting interlaced video as non-interlaced and progressive form. Interlaced video signals are commonly found in analog television, digital television, and in the 1080i format. Some DVD titles and smaller number of Blu-ray discs. Next point is how video is processed with camera. These are the steps which process the video with the camera. Import the processing video library. Number 2, declare a capture object. Number 3, initialize the capture object. Start the capture object process. Read the image from the camera. Display the video image. Initialize movie object. And 7 point is start movie play. And the last step and the very important points, that is read frame from the movie. Now Hassan Shakil will explain details of previous slide.
Import the processing video library. Although the video library is developed and maintained by the processing foundation due to its size, it must be downloaded separately through the contributions of a manager. Second step is declare a capture object. The processing video library has two useful classes inside of it: capture for live video and movie for recorded video. In this step, I'll be declaring a capture object. Details. Initialize the capture object. It will show you the several ways to call the capture constructor. In a program, we can call it by void setup and then call the function. Start the capture process. Once the camera is ready, it is up to you to tell the processing to start the capturing of images.
Details. Read the image from the camera. There are two strategies from reading frames from the camera. I will briefly look at the both and choose one of the remainder example this chapter. Both strategies, however, operate under the same fundamental principle. Second point is display the video image. This is the without a doubt the easiest part. It is the very easiest part. You can think a capture object as a P image, where P image basically is a width and a height. That changes over time, and in fact, a capture object can be utilized in identical manners and P image object. Example of video processing. In this video, there is a capturing of object and process into up scan conversion into lower scan conversion, and its pixel is 1080i.
Relation to freelancing. There is a vast market for image and video processing in the freelancing market. People who know how to edit, manipulate videos and images are high in demand, especially nowadays. From image and video processing, you can earn up to 4 to 5 digits dollars. As you can see, there are some examples of freelancing on Fiverr website. Future scope of image and video processing. Image processing technology extracts image information from images and videos and integrates it for a wide range of applications, such as in production automation, in agriculture landscape, and in biomedical and other healthcare applications, and also disaster management.
In production automation, image/video processing application can make possible for machines to act more self-sufficient and ensure the quality of product. Damaged part can be replaced or corrected, which could lead to the more efficiencies of production facilities. With the help of advanced image processing techniques, even an entire production facility can be managed. In agricultural landscape, irrigation monitoring and providing information can be made possible by tracking satellite imaging and video of the fields. Processing of infrared images and videos can act as an additional means to monitor and analyze irrigation. The analysis can then be utilized in pre-harvesting operation for deciding whether to harvest or not. Growth of weeds can also be detected by using a combination of machine learning and image processing algorithm and techniques.
Biomedical and other healthcare applications. Number 1 point is 3D imaging is a process where a 2D image is converted into a 3D image by creating an optical illusion of depth. Number 2 point is the next step is rendering the where color and texture are included in the 3D model to make the look realistic. Number 3 and is the important point with such 3D image and rendering doctors can see extremely high quality 3D image of the organs that they could not have seen otherwise. Last point is this is in turn can help carry the duplicate surgeries and make accurate diagnosis. Disaster management. Drone aircrafts monitoring environmental and traffic conditions can use image processing to capture high-resolution real-time videos and photographs. Number 2 point is in the case of nature or other disaster like flood, earthquake, fire, etc. Number 3, knowing which disaster-struck areas the authorities need to focus upon can help save lives by researching quickly to those trapped and bring them out safely. Last point is even monitoring the progress and insurance coordination during such a rescue operation can be made easier with the real-time image process techniques.
Image and video processing research centers in the world. As you can see, there are many research centers in the world which are leading in this area. There is image and video processing market worth in the next few years will be almost $109 billion, which is a lot if you know how to video edit and image edit. Thank you.